Imagine you ask a normal AI like ChatGPT, book me a flight to Paris for next week. What happens? It says, I can't actually book the ticket for you. Now imagine asking an AI agent the same question. Welcome to Engineered Simple, where we break down complex tech topics into simple, easy-to-understand videos. Today, we're talking about something that's going to change everything. AI agents. What are they? How do they actually work? And why is everyone in tech so excited about them? Let's start rolling.
So what is an AI agent? Let's break it down with a simple definition. An AI agent is a system that does three things on its own. 1. It perceives. It looks at the world around it. That could be reading your question, checking data, or sensing its environment. 2. It thinks. It decides what to do based on a goal in your prompt. It reasons through the problem and makes a plan. 3. It acts. It takes action to change something. It doesn't just give you information. It actually does something.
Hey assistant,
Think of it like a
upbeat
smart
pop music
assistant.
that I can snap along to.
Not just a smart advisor who gives you information, but a smart doer who gets things done. If a normal AI is a knowledge bot, an AI agent is an action bot. It has a goal, and it keeps working until that goal is finished. Son. Now let's move on to the parts of an AI agent. So how does an AI agent think? An AI agent has three main parts inside its brain. Number 1, the core brain. This is the engine. It's usually a large language model like GPT-4, Claude, or Gemini. This gives the agent the ability to understand your prompt, reason through problems, and make decisions. But on its own, the brain is stuck in a box. It can think all day, but it cannot actually do anything. It needs the next two parts to break free. Number 2, memory. Just like you, an agent needs memory. Two types. First, short-term memory is like a sticky note. It remembers what just happened seconds ago. Okay, I just checked the calendar. Then secondly, long-term memory. This is like a filing cabinet. This enables it to remember your preferences from last month. User always books window seats. That sticks around. Then lastly, number 3, tools. Now this is the most important part. Tools are how the agent touches the outside world. These tools are usually APIs. The term API stands for Application Programming Interface. But what does that mean? So an API is a messenger that lets one piece of software communicate with another piece of software. Think of it like a waiter in a restaurant. You tell the waiter what you want. The waiter goes to the kitchen, tells the chef, and brings your food back. So the API in this scenario is the waiter between the AI agent, which is you, and the outside world. Now real examples of APIs includes a tool to search Google, a tool to check your email, a tool to control a smart light, a tool to click buttons on a website. Each one carries requests and responses. So the agent uses its brain to look at the goal, checks its memory for context, and decides which tool to use. Brain decides, memory informs, tools execute. Hence, all three are working together. Now this takes us to part 3 of this video. Part 3. The reasoning loop. Now we will get to know how an AI agent actually runs. It uses something called a loop. 3 simple steps repeated over and over. Think, act, and observe. So let's use our flight booking scenario as an example. So I gave the agent a goal. Book a flight to Paris. Now the loop begins. So step 1. Think. The agent thinks, I need to find flights. I have a tool for web search. Step 2. Act. The agent uses the web search tool and gets back a list of flights. Step 3. Observe. The agent looks at the results. Ethiopian Airlines has a 10 a.m. flight. But wait, memory says this user hates early mornings. So the 10 a.m. flight is not good. Now the loop starts again. Think again. I need afternoon flights instead. Act again. The agent searches again, this time for afternoon departures. It then observes again. There's a 2 p.m. flight. Window seats available. Perfect. Think again. Now I need to book it. I have a payment tool. Act again. The agent uses the payment tool. Observe again. Payment successful. Confirmation received. Goal complete. The loop then stops. This loop of think, act, observe, then think again, act again, observe again, is the reason they are called agents. Now let me give you real-world examples of how. AI agent work. Example 1. Customer service bots. So you see those chat windows that pop up on websites. Most just show you help articles or FAQs, but an AI agent can do more. It can connect to the company's system, look up your actual order, process a refund, and tell you your refund is done, all without a human ever touching it. Secondly is the IA agent Devin. You can prompt Devin to build me a website that does this, and it will write the code. Run the code, find bugs in the code, and fix those bugs all by itself. It doesn't just suggest code, it actually builds things. So to sum it up, AI agents are like giving a brain some hands. They use a cycle of think, act, and observe to accomplish real-world tasks. They're going to change how we work, shifting us from being doers to being managers. And let me know in the comments, what's the one boring task you wish an AI agent could do for you right now? Please subscribe to my channel. This keeps me going. Thanks for watching Engineered Simple. I'll see you in the next one.